Hello and a warm welcome to the English Language Laboratory's Word of the Day series by TELLS Videtionary. In this series, we pick a new English word every day, provide the correct spelling of the word telling you how many alphabets make up the word, find which part of speech the word falls into, explain its meaning, look for any similar words where possible and finally explore how it could be used in a sentence. Do you have a word collection? How many words have you collected? Are you having difficulties understanding English words? Confused about how to use words in a sentence? Or do you just want to refresh your English vocabulary? Then join us and learn in a fun and easy way. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. We'd love to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment after every video. All comments are welcome. Now let's dive into the video. Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 2nd, our word of the day is vacillate. V-A-C-I-L-L-A-T-E. Vacillate. Vacillate is a 9-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Vacillate means to be uncertain what to do, or to change often between two opinions, unable to decide. You might vacillate between ordering waffles and pancakes at your favorite diner. It's hard to pick just one when both are so tasty. Similar words include hover, oscillate, vibrate, hesitate, waffle, waver. Examples of sentences using vacillate are: I vacillated about what to say for so long that the man on the phone asked if I was still there. Her mood vacillated between hope and despair. She has vacillated on this issue. We cannot vacillate on the question of the party's leadership. The longer you vacillate, the less time you'll have to do anything worthwhile. Mary vacillated for so long that someone else stepped in and made the decision. Make sure to save this new word, vacillate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.